Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be doing another Roblox video. My next one is another Call of Duty, I promise. Today I'm going to be doing a lawn simulator. Have never played this game. It is fresh for me. And probably some of y'all out there, it's fresh for y'all. So, let's get on with it. Okay. Okay. Okay, new islands, nice. Rebirth shop. And then there's the leaderboard. Okay. Oh, never mind. Found it. I thought it didn't come with one. I thought you had to get it from in there. Guess not. Alright. Oh, them flowers give you stuff. Okay. Didn't say anything in there. Unless it did. I might have to get another lawnmower. The first thing I may have to. It's taking a little bit. Okay, let's sell. Alright, now we could do this. Okay. So I have that one. And then how much is 924? Okay. The bag? 924, never mind. Login bonus, okay. 200. Alright. Is there any game passes? I wonder. Select, okay. I don't need any of them. I would have figured it would have been 1 billion just for 49 Robux. I'm getting that. That'll give me a boost. Was that a waste of my money? I was wasting my money. Oh, never mind. There we go. I see it now. I guess it took a bit. I guess I'll upgrade a bit. Alright. The basic mower. The better mower. I guess I'll get that. Alright. I guess this is the start. You know one thing I just realized? I wasted my 49 Robux. I should have just waited because I don't know if I'm gonna rebirth now because I don't know if it's gonna save my coins, which I just spent Robux on them. Jimbo, Harvest. I don't know what they are. Or I have a Minecraft video then. And then another video after that. Because I have a Minecraft roleplay ready. And then, I do want to see if anyone's online on Minteria. I will do a YouTube video on that. More Minteria. What do y'all want to see is my question. Let's sell some grass. I was about to say. There's advanced. Come on, move on to the next one. Expert. Alright. Okay. Alright, I see a difference now. How are things going y'all's way? Yeah, them affect my speed with the lawnmower. The racing jet. Alright. I guess it's kind of right for a reason. Oh my. Okay, I wish I had some codes. I would give y'all some. Next video on this one, I will give you some codes. I'm trying to make sure my channel doesn't die out. You know, it kind of looks like it. Yeah. Also, and I don't know if y'all know, I messed up on the title. I put Season 4. It's Season 5. So, Yeah, I noticed that after I hopped on Call of Duty after. So, I just want to let you know that. And okay. A lawnmower is my question. It ain't even a lawnmower. It's a blower. And why does it sound like a lawnmower or a tractor? It's my question. I mean, I understand, but still. Really. Here we go. After I buy 2 more lawnmowers and upgrade a bit more, I'm going to go and head off. Probably next time I'll rebirth and restart fresh. Alright. After Max backpack, I'll head there and probably end off the video. Okay. Alright, what is the next one? The Elite Blower. I see the next one. I'm gonna have to press it twice. So several times. It won't go. Alright. You know, in the last Roblox video, I tried to do a muted, just me playing the game, notes, talking, just using the chat to do it. But, yeah. I had someone calling me, in which, yeah, that day we were eating pizza, stuff like that. Alright. This one I'm gonna say it in chat. Video. You know, my last Roblox video, I tried to, like, make a thumbnail, and I couldn't figure out how to get the thumbnail. I'm gonna let them know. I'm telling them to get on the crown for thumbnail. Let's see how good they listen. No one yet. No one listened. I'm gonna tell them real quick. Video. Who wants to be in the video? Here we go. I got people now. I guess Atlanta wants to be in a video. Andrea, I don't know if she wants to, but who knows? I guess she does. I'm just going to head towards the people. Rocky's in a YouTube video. Archie's in a video. Ichigo is in a video. Goku Black is in a video. I wonder how much these are. I could have been getting these. Oh, then these become flowers. Okay. So the first, oh, there's VIP. I'm gonna test my luck. Let's get a VIP pet. That'll be cool. Clever grass. Very first pet. Equipped. Okay, guys. I guess that'll be all with the video. And, yeah. Please follow the things in the description. And please like and subscribe, like I said in the chat. And, yeah. Goodbye. Daniel Yens.